Okay, so the topic for this little video is all to do with gas, wind and bloating, and particularly if you have smelly defecation or smelly urination, that also kind of applies. Now, people can get bad breath, bad smelling burps, eggy burps, which is the production of hydrogen sulfide, and bloating and wind when they are unable to efficiently break down the food that they're putting in. Simply put, that is it. That is how simple it usually is. Now, the reason for this can differ from person to person, and often does. Now, there's going to be another video on a number of these topics. Now, the first one and common one is incorrect stomach acid, whether it be high or low. If you're unable to break stuff down, or maybe if you've got excess acid and you're taking proton pump inhibitors to reduce the stomach acid, and then you won't be able to break it down. The next one would be an unbalanced gut flora, or SIBO, or something similar. Can lead to the production of excess gases, which is what eggy burps will be. The production of hydrogen sulfide is created by the bacteria breaking down the food. Or not breaking down the food, and then obviously as this passes through your system, if things aren't broken down as much, they will be more likely to smell when they come out the other end. This can also lead to the politest way to put this, itchy rectum, so itchy bumhole, can also be indicative of things not being broken down as much. Now, some people will find they have particular triggers that make them bloat worse, or things they can get away with not making them as gassy. And again, this will point you towards what the imbalance may be. For instance, if eating meat makes you really gassy, it'll point you in a different direction than if you are eating alliums is a common one. So onions, leeks, garlic will be something different than not being able to break down meat effectively. All this can be useful information to start pointing in the direction of how to start rebalancing or addressing why this is the case.